Hi YouTube, let's do for one. I haven't made a video for a while, and I thought I'd vacuum my mum's bedroom with Dyson DC07 all floors clutch version. As you can see, it's got a bit of dirt in it, so let's see how much we pick up at the end of the video. Okay, the camera might not be very still, but let's just see how we go. So as you can see, it's made the carpet very clean, and on top of all that dirt that we picked up before, we have picked up quite a bit of dust and a little bit of other stuff too. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you.